Late models, low miles. This 2017 Indian Chief Vintage in colors Springfield blue and ivory cream. Nice retro old school combination of colors coupled with tan leather and fringe. Nice touches. Super traditional looking bike. Late model we proved to you, 2017. Low miles. Under 6,000 miles on a 1-year-old bike. Which, coincidentally, no, not coincidentally, we do this on purpose, just came out of service, running great. Just came out of detail. Looking perfect. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Available for test rides 7 days a week at Biggs Harley-Davidson in San Marcos. Come on out. We're between Vista and Escondido off the 78.